Most people think aging is a slow collapse, that once your energy drops, your focus fades, or your body starts aching, it's just time doing what time does. But here's something most people are never told, and it's backed by biology, not motivation. Your body is not passively falling apart, it is actively rebuilding itself every single day. Right now, as you're watching this, damaged cells are being broken down and replaced. Old tissue is cleared away, new structures are being assembled. This isn't rare. This is normal human physiology. Your skin renews itself roughly every 4 weeks. The lining of your gut replaces itself in just a few days. Red blood cells are recycled every few months. Even your bones, which feel solid and permanent, are constantly being broken down and rebuilt. So when people feel progressively more tired, inflamed, foggy, or weak year after year, it's usually not because the body forgot how to repair itself. It's because the repair process doesn't have what it needs to finish the job. Think of the body like a fully staffed repair facility. The technicians are trained, the systems are online, the instructions are built into your DNA, but if the raw materials never arrive, nothing gets fixed. Today, we're going to break down 3 simple, ordinary foods that science shows directly support the body's natural repair systems. These aren't trends, they're not expensive, they've been studied for decades, and yet most people still underestimate how powerful they really are. Let's start with one of the most misunderstood foods in modern nutrition: eggs. Eggs are considered a reference food in nutrition science. That means other proteins are measured against eggs to see how complete and usable they are. The reason is simple: your body is built out of protein. Muscles, organs, enzymes, hormones, immune cells, all protein-based. Every day, damaged proteins are dismantled and replaced. When protein intake is insufficient, repair slows down. This becomes more noticeable with age, but it affects everyone. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids in proportions the human body can use efficiently. This gives egg protein one of the highest biological values ever recorded. In practical terms, more of what you eat actually gets used for rebuilding tissue instead of being wasted. Now here, where most people go wrong, they throw away the yolk. The yolk isn't the problem, it's the payload. It contains fat-soluble vitamins like D and E, which support immune function, skin integrity, antioxidant defense, and bone health. It also provides vitamin B12, which is essential for nerve signaling and red blood cell production. But the standout nutrient is choline. Most adults don't meet recommended choline intake, according to published research. Choline is required to build cell membranes, produce neurotransmitters involved in memory and focus, and regulate fat metabolism in the liver. Low choline intake has been linked to fatty liver changes, impaired cognition, and poor nerve communication. Egg yolks are one of the richest natural sources of choline available. And about cholesterol, this matters. Large modern reviews have shown that for most healthy individuals, cholesterol from eggs does not significantly increase cardiovascular risk. Your liver produces cholesterol because your body needs it for hormones, vitamin D synthesis, and cell structure. When you consume cholesterol, the liver adjusts production. Eggs don't clog arteries. They supply raw materials the body actually uses. Quick check-in: if this kind of evidence-based breakdown is useful to you, make sure you're still with me. Drop a like so more people see this, subscribe for future deep dives, and follow BioOptimize Vision for science-backed health education that cuts through the noise. Now let's talk about what controls how well those building blocks are used. That brings us to Greek yogurt and kefir. If eggs provide materials, fermented dairy helps manage the system that distributes them. That system is your gut. Your digestive tract isn't just a food tube, it's a command center. Trillions of microorganisms live there, influencing immune activity, inflammation levels, nutrient absorption, and even brain signaling. More than 70% of your immune system is located in and around the gut. When the gut microbiome is out of balance, people often experience fatigue, bloating, brain fog, frequent illness, and chronic low-grade inflammation. Inflammation is important here because high inflammation slows repair throughout the entire body. Greek yogurt and kefir contain live beneficial bacteria, including well-studied strains like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Research shows these microbes help strengthen the gut lining, reduce intestinal permeability, improve nutrient absorption, and modulate immune signaling. When inflammation is lower, the body can redirect energy toward repair instead of defense. Greek yogurt also provides high-quality protein, particularly casein, which digests slowly and supports muscle maintenance and tissue repair over longer periods. This is especially valuable for older adults, physically active individuals, or anyone under chronic stress. One critical point: added sugar disrupts gut bacteria balance. Flavored yogurts often undo the benefits they claim to provide. Plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt or kefir delivers the probiotic benefit without interfering with microbial stability. Now let's move to a food that looks simple but plays a precise biological role: bananas. Bananas are one of the most accessible sources of potassium, a mineral required for muscle contraction, nerve impulse transmission, heart rhythm regulation, and fluid balance. Many adults fall short on potassium intake, and low levels can contribute to muscle cramps, weakness, fatigue, and irregular heartbeat sensations. Bananas also provide carbohydrates in a form the body can quickly convert into usable energy. When paired with protein or fat, they help maintain more stable blood sugar and prevent energy crashes. This makes them useful for morning energy, post-exercise recovery, or preventing midday fatigue. They also contain prebiotic fiber. Prebiotics don't feed you, they feed your beneficial gut bacteria. Over time, this supports better digestion, improved mineral absorption, and a stronger gut environment. That matters because repair doesn't happen in isolation, it's coordinated. Here, how this comes together. Eggs supply the structural materials. Fermented dairy optimizes absorption, immune balance, and inflammation control. Bananas support nerve signaling, muscle function, energy availability, and gut bacteria nourishment. Together, they support faster tissue repair, better digestion, reduced inflammation, and more stable energy levels. This isn't a diet trend, it's alignment with how the human body actually works. Here's the most important takeaway. Your body isn't broken, it's intelligent. It's constantly attempting to heal, adapt, and rebuild, but it can only work with what you consistently provide. Food isn't just calories, it's information. When you give your body the right inputs, it responds quietly, efficiently, and powerfully over time. If you found this valuable, support the channel by liking the video, subscribing for more evidence-based health content, and following BioOptimize Vision for clear, factual insights that help you work with your biology instead of against it.